Okay, before I actually explain what the bridge page is, I want to mention that there is a default setup. It's this one here on the left. It's very plain and simple. And if you're happy with that, you do not need to play with the bridge page settings at all. It will work as it is, and you don't need to worry about this unless you want to make changes and tailor it to suit the theme or feel or brand of your site more than the default will. In other words, if you don't want to fiddle with this, you don't need to. It'll work out of the box. Okay, now what is a bridge page? It's a very simple thing. When someone clicks on your link, they're not sent straight through to the final URL, the affiliate link or whatever it is. They actually go through a bridge page, a page in the middle. So they click on the link, they see this intermediary page, and then they end up on the site where your link sends them to. Basically, it's part of how Smartlinks works its magic. But let's scroll on down. There is a default template, but there are some extra templates available. And more importantly, you can edit these as well. Now, for this example, I've chosen the white template over here because it fits with the theme of my site. And then I've clicked on Select Site Logo and picked a new logo from the media library. So I've just selected one of these that fits well, and that URL is already in here. In other words, when someone clicks on one of the links from this site, instead of seeing the paper aeroplane logo here, they're going to see the logo, company logo that I've chosen here, adding a bit more congruency with my site and a bit more branding to make people comfortable as they go through to their destination link. Now, if I scroll further down, you'll see that below, for advanced use, is the option to make changes to the actual template that we've chosen. So this is the HTML code for that template that I've chosen from those listed above. And I can go through and tweak any of the settings in the HTML for that template. Now, please bear in mind, if you do make any changes and click on Save Bridge Page Content at the bottom, it will be saved to the template above. So I'd highly recommend that you take a copy of the code in here, just click in the box and do Control A and Control C for copy, and copy that code somewhere else into a text file or something, just so you've got a backup copy of it that you can restore if you make any mistakes, just so you've got peace of mind.